if they don't even have if they don't even have gas fee, you can send them gas fee. I can tell you that if you have all these about 100 people who register to get the airdrop, more than 20% of them we want to activate levels, and that is already a lot. And as people see more of the benefit, especially from the global matrix of the 2x6, where people earn even without referring, they want to go higher, and they want to get the coin. So it's really very innovative, very good, very, very lovely. The more I study, the more I see the great potential in this big business. So I think Zishan, you have spoken, Mola, you have spoken. So let me help you to lower your hand so that we will know those who have not spoken. Alif, Alif, okay, it's like, okay, let's hear from Alif.
Yes, sir. My question is, when can we create an account?
When can we?
My question is, when can we create an account?
Yes, like we have said, the in by the 30th of August, the registration will start. So once registration have started, your upline, your leader will give you the link. There's no need to rush in registering. Just anytime your upline will update you, especially when everything is set. A timer is going to be on the website, and as the creator have said, there will be 3 to 4 hour countdown, so for everyone to get ready to notify everyone. So within the next 24 hours, it will be registration will start, and you are going to be notified. Just stay connected with your upline, with the leader, and you will get to know. Thank you. So Zichan is like you keep raising your hand. Possibly you want to say something again.
এ হারার পো আগে অ্যাকাউন্ট হবে কেমনে বেটা এটা ব্লকচেন হইলো কেমনে হারার পো হারা
Yes, I thank God there are a lot of India here who understand what you are saying. So, crypto lover, I think you understand what your friend have just said, and then maybe you just answer that.
Sir,
জিয়াদ ভাই
this is
জিয়াদ ভাই এটা একটা অফিসিয়াল লাইভ, ঠিক আছে?
hello.
মাইন্ড ইউর ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ।
Hello. No problem, no problem.
Yeah. Oh,
Can I, Mr. Chris, can I invite Partho and ROI? He's a big leader from their country. ROI is from France and Partho is from Bangladesh. So
of course.
ROI, please, yeah, ROI, please come in front and let us say some few words and represent yourself and your country too. ROI.
Okay, hi everyone. Thank you, my brother Crypto Lover, for the speech. And I haven't got something to say today, but I'm very delighted to be with you because I know I'm with great leader. There are great leader here, and I'm going just to give any advice to all the leaders. Get ready for the project. Just get ready and stay focused on our project because this project is an amazing project. So just get ready, and that is what I can say about it. So thank you very much. Thank you for your presence. Thank you, Mr. Shiv, for your genuine project. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Mr. ROI. Good to hear from you.
Thank you very much. It's a very great pleasure that you come and speak here and represent your country. You are the most thing that we hear all great leaders from different countries. Mr. Chris is the greatest leader from his country. Mr. Roy is big leader from Tanzania, from France, And now I invite Mr. Partho. He's the big leader from Bangladesh and very sincere leader. Most important thing, very sincere leader. I invite Mr. Partho. You come and say some few words.
Yes, brother. Hello, everyone. How are you? Bangladesh people is very interested. I will prepare everyone tomorrow. Bangladesh have become very popular, and I have nothing to say. My brother Kiptolabar give the all information, and thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Again, say, I oblige with you. Chris, that you are taking such an amazing session today.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Crypto Lover. So, if nobody has anything more to say, I think let's just hear from Azad and Jeremy before we call it a night. I think that those people have one or two things to say. Azad, kindly unmute yourself. Okay, Jeremy, you can speak since you're already unmuted. Okay, it seems as if you guys don't want to say anything. So I think at this point, if there's nothing more to say, we are going to bring the presentation to a close, and hopefully by tomorrow is Wednesday, hopefully there will be another section for Zoom presentation, and I mean that is when maybe possibly the registration has started and is going to be so great. So thank you everyone who have attended. Thank you our great leader, Mr. Chief. This is really a very powerful one. I thought you were joking last year when you started talking to me about it. I didn't take it serious, but I've seen what you've been doing over the period of time. You've invested so much time, so much energy, so much resources into this, and this is going to be a very huge success. So God bless you all. So good night, and our host will end the meeting. So Mr. Chief, you can end the meeting.
You are fact, bro.
Thank you, Chris. Join for today's Zoom meeting, and everyone, thank you.
Fact.
Okay, thanks everyone, and see you soon.